Let's get ready to make these golden, buttery, moist, and tender cornbread muffins. Y'all, the texture of these muffins is just perfection. They are so good. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is add our flour into a large bowl. We're going to throw in some yellow cornmeal. We're going to add in a little bit of sugar, okay? Then we're going to add in some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. You can cut back that sugar. You can increase that sugar depending on, what you're looking for. You can even add in a little bit of honey to sweeten it up even more. Go ahead and whisk this all together. You don't want to have any streaks of baking powder or anything like that, so really whisk it good. In a separate bowl, we're going to add our eggs. I like using 3 eggs. It just gives it the best tender texture. I love it. Whisk those around just a little bit. Next, we're going to add in some melted salted butter. We're going to add in a little bit of vegetable oil. And of course, we're adding in all that good old buttermilk. And all of my ingredients are at room temperature. It just makes it so much easier to get everything mixed up. Go ahead and whisk it around until you have it nice and smooth like this. Kind of like a very loose custardy type texture. Very, very pretty. Okay, next we're going to mix our dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients. Go ahead and just dump it all in there, okay? Dump it all into that bowl, and next we're going to just stir it on up and get everything combined. You want to stir this very, very gently because cornbread, it's kind of bougie. It don't like to be stirred a whole lot. Just gonna, if you do stir it too much, you're going to have like a kind of a tough crumbly texture. Just stir it just enough until all that flour is mixed in. You don't want to see any flour. That looks perfect, okay? If the batter is a little lumpy, that is totally okay as well, all right? All right, we're just gonna let this hang out for about 10 minutes, and when we come back, you would notice that the batter has gotten a little bit lighter, it's a little bit fluffier, okay? That's what we're going for here. Next, we can go ahead and just add our batter right into our little muffin tins here. I'm using a non-stick muffin tin. I like to add about a heaping 1/4 cup to each one. You can add a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on if you want a muffin top, or not. So once you have this pan all nice and filled up, go ahead and give it a little shake and a little drop, just to kind of get everything nice and level, just like that. We're going to pop these into the oven 400 for about 12 minutes. You may need a little bit less, a little bit more, but when they come out, let them hang out in the pan for about 2 minutes, and now you are done. Serve them hot. Cornbread muffins are always best served right when you make them, the same day. Reheated cornbread, it's okay. But yeah, the same day you make them, that's when you want to serve them. You can brush them with butter, honey butter. Look at that texture, y'all. Oh, this texture is just doing everything for me. It's so perfect. And you can eat these muffins plain, serve it with chili, a nice little soul food dinner for breakfast. My grandmother would just crush it up in buttermilk or milk and just eat it like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more cornbread videos, be sure to check out my buttermilk honey cornbread and my sweet potato cornbread. Those are so good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Later.